Alright, I am in Longview, Texas at the railroad yard. One down there is leaving. And we're having to take the train home because the van had a little bit of a injury, but no problems, taking the train, it's a brand new adventure. But I am in Longview waiting for Amtrak. I've been here for about 2-3 hours. The train is supposed to be here at 6:15. It's already 7 minutes late. My brother looked it up, and yeah, but should be coming around the bend pretty soon. So and then we'll have to go through, I think, 12 stops before Chicago, and then we're going to transfer from Chicago onto the Blue Water, which will go to Kalamazoo. So yep, signage here. So yeah, we'll see if I can get footage of the train rolling in, and we'll go from there. So here we go. Here are those lime cars we were talking about, and kind of an explanation. We're gonna go over there. I probably won't film this part. Go over there and explain how the handbrake works.
So this right here is your standard handbrake. So the only reason you would ever use these handbrakes is if you were parked, say like right here, you would engage the handbrake so you could stop the car from rolling. But if it was hooked onto a locomotive, you would use your handy dandy air brakes right here. This will connect to the other end of another car, which looks almost identical to this, same pipe and all. Now this handbrake, what you do is you spin the wheel to tighten it up. And then, actually I'm going the wrong way. I am letting the air brakes or the handbrake off. So to tighten it, you gotta go this way. There we go, now she's tightening up.
Okay.
And now it is tight. So now your car will not roll away. It will stay very well positioned.
Now let's say these cars have not been moved in a while, so we are not affecting, what's ACF mean?
Great question.
We are not affecting transit at all. And then over here we have a connected example with the air brakes and brake forms. So yeah, that's just a little bit of a brief catch up on rails. And I guess this one's a sign to leave too. Oh yeah, rolling coal. Broke down. Gotta wait for a new engine. Back up, you're in my camera.
For some reason, after we hooked up those cars down there and slotted it, air compressor went down. Said I can't get back. And this one on standby. We're just happening. I mean, the engine sounded just lost its air compressor.
I am in Kalamazoo. After swapping trains in Chicago, that nightmare, I am now finally in Kalamazoo after getting off our second train, because this was not the train we were supposed to be on due to our engine malfunction and every stuff. So, but yeah, I'm in Kalamazoo waiting for my ride and then home to Lansing. So that's going to wrap up this, I guess, train demonstration? I don't know. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see you in the next one.